Good morning, everyone. My name is Divya. Picano Education welcomes you to this webinar. Today I'm here to introduce you all the biggest marketplace for online education launched by Picano Education LLP. Nowadays, even in the presence of different platforms of online education, still many students or parents are unaware of the benefits and the ease online education provides in studying or creating a better future. Prior the digitalization took an important place in our lives, we didn't had any idea that shopping, transacting money, or even looking for employment could be this easier. But now this has become our daily need. Let us take an example of buying mobile phone earlier versus now. Earlier, people used to see others using a phone. They used to ask, how is the performance of the phone? Or they directly visited the shops nearby them in the market and buy a phone from there. But now, everything is online. There are various brand choices, specification choices, etc., according to our need. Jim Rohn, a great author, American entrepreneur, and a motivational speaker, have once quoted that formal education will make you a living, self education will make you a fortune. This is what the platform of Feast Marf is creating, a place for your self development, self education, and much more. Your self doubts for your future will be vanished. You will be happier and satisfied than ever. FeeSmart is aiming to create the biggest online marketplace for e-education. So let's start with how this unique platform will make your life easy. What new revolution is this platform adding to the world? So, first of all, what is the platform for, or for whom is the platform for? For students, for working professionals, for educated moms, for each and every individual of India and the whole world. Students who are studying right now in colleges or school, they have a very basic type of study which they do by books or maybe sometimes YouTube lectures. The only new thing we are giving in this platform is the syllabus related 3D animated videos, the synopsis, the questions through which we can prepare, through which the students can prepare the best they can. Working professionals who are already engaged in a job, but they want to do, or maybe they want to start their own business, that this is a platform for them. Educated moms, now, being an Indian, we all know that means in India, it's very common that after marrying, a lady, a mom, can't go to a job. They don't have such kind of circumstances to go to job, like leaving the child behind, and there is no one to look after the child. So they have to be bounded in the home. So for them, if they want to pursue their talent, they want to polish their skills, this is the platform for them too. Now, FeeSmart have two platforms under the board. One is the online education platform where the students, the people who want to pursue their skills, they can chart their future path and has the possibility of having free education. The second platform is creating world's biggest integrated portal for linking networkers and leaders from across the globe. Yes, the social media platform for all the linkers, networkers, leaders around the world. The world's number one biggest platform for MLM industries. This is what we are creating, the part two in our board. Now, what is the need of such kind of marketplace? We know we will study till 10th. We have all the compulsory subjects under us under 10th. What about after 12th? What about when we have to pursue our skills, our talents? Not everyone wants to be a doctor, engineer, teacher, or anything. Some have some different kind of talents. like being a programmer, being a coder, being a hacker. For that, there is a different kind of course, there are different kind of skills you have to polish. So this is the marketplace where everything is found just in one click. It is powered by artificial intelligence so that everything is clear and accurate. Next, what is the solution? The solution is the platform for e-education, where all the different platforms are coming together to just polish your child's and your future in just a simple go. From class KG to 12th, college to university, professional to personal skill development, preparation of bank exams to corporate induction, we plan to have them here all at one place. That is FeeSmart board. Now, who should enroll? As I have told earlier, anyone is eligible to enroll in this platform, no matter what his age is, no matter what job he is doing, no matter what he wants to do. It's just he can pursue what he wants. He can go to the skies, to the heights where he wanted to go sometime. The available courses and as on date. Now, what are the courses available on the FeeSmart platform? There are 4 courses right now available: FlipLearn, My Legal Studio, edX, and MCAT. These are the 4 courses available on this platform at present. So, FlipLearn. FlipLearn is a app for KG to 12th, or we may say pre-nursery to 12th. There are all classes available here, all Indian boards, all subjects, and it is very personalized learning, concept simplified, fun and engaging, and most important thing is it is anytime, anywhere accessibility. Then there are synopsis, mind mapping, questions, more than 250,000 of questions. This is what FlipLearn's aim is. Now, there are 2 licenses in FlipLearn. One is basic FlipLearn license. That is, you will get all classes, important local boards, and all subjects in 2D dimension, and it will cost you 12 PV. That is 11,999 plus GST 18%. That is 14,159. This is the package of basic FlipLearn license. Now, next is premium FlipLearn license. Everything is same, just it is in 3D design animated videos. That is for 15 PV, that is 15,000 plus 18% GST, that is 17,700 rupees. The package of premium FlipLearn license. Now, why should anyone choose FlipLearn and not the competitions? See, now as you can see, there are FlipLearn, Byju, Topper, and Vedantu. It is a comparison chart here. Now, board curriculum mapped. FlipLearn gives you CBSE, ICSE, and majority state boards. Byju's provide you CBSE, ICIC, and some state boards. Topper provides you CBSE and ICSE and major state boards. Vedantu provides you CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, IB, and state boards. Now, class ranges. FlipLearns have all class. Byju's have class 1 to 12. Topper have class 5 to 12. Vedantu's have class 6 to 12. Subjects covered. FlipLearn covers all subjects. Byju's covers maths and science only. Topper covers all subjects except Hindi. Vedantu covers all subjects. Number of videos in FlipLearn is 19,000 and plus. Byju's, Topper, Vedantu's all have lesser videos compared to FlipLearn. Number of questions in FlipLearn is 2,50,000. Byju's have 20,000. Topper have about 35,000 and Vedantu's is even lesser. Number of learning elements. FlipLearn provides you 8 elements. Byju's provide you less than 4. Topper is also less than 4. Vedantu's have aggregators of tutors for 6 to 12th only. Now, pricing per year. You can see the pricing is very convenient in FlipLearn as compared to Byju's, Topper and Vedantu's. Next we have is My Legal Studio Law License. Anyone who wants to pursue the law course, the diploma course in law, he or she can come to this platform and buy the package of My Legal Studio. There they have different type of courses under the diploma, that is taxation, investment law, labor laws, arbitration, competition law, mergers and acquisitions, in just 15,000, that is 15 PV. Next we have edX. The third platform is edX, and under edX there is 140 plus universities, not of India but out of India universities like Oxford, Harvard, MIT. There are different big universities which are the family of edX. They provide you with 2,800 plus courses, and each course, if suppose for example I chose a course from Oxford University, so the certification will be provided by Oxford itself. It is directly linked with Oxford. There is no some third party that is giving you the certification. Instead, the direct university from which you are choosing the course will provide you the certification after the completion of the course. Next, we have Aspiring Minds MCAT tests. Now, most of the people know about MCAT. There are there is a kind of a board named Fortune 500 companies, under which there are world's biggest company which come under Fortune 500 companies. In India, we have 3,000 companies which are listed in Fortune 500 companies. Now, what is the role of MCAT here? MCAT makes you eligible for interview in the Fortune 500 companies during the campus placement. It just makes you eligible for interview and not for the job. The universities and the Fortune 500 companies decide the eligibility of interview depending on your MCAT score. Here, 50 lakh students evaluated annually for more than 3,000 plus best ranked companies. Cognitive ability, personality, English proficiency, coding, data, sales, job ability test, everything is listed under MCAT test. Proposed alliances of the company. Now, the company is aiming to make this marketplace even more bigger. They are planning to have Easy Shiksha, an academy, Byju's, Vedantu's, all in our platform, in our marketplace. Now, how can you buy a license? If you are out of India, there is Coinbase. If you are in India, there is UPI payments like PhonePe, Paytm, Google Pay. Any digital transaction app can make you eligible for buying. Now, what is the process of business? Why we are different? We are providing students scholarships, working professionals a source of income, and educated moms a source of a better living. The motive is join, promote, and earn. That is referral marketing. So, referral business bonus for PV15. That is, if you buy a 15,000 package, what are the things or what are the profit process you get? First one is direct referral or fast start bonus. So, suppose if Sankar sponsors the package of 15,000 to Sonia, that is referral 1 on his left, and Mahesh, that is referral 1 again on the right. Sankar have the package of 15,000. He sponsors to Sonia and Mahesh the 15,000 package. From each referral, he will get the 50% of the amount as a profit. That is, if he has referred 15,000, 7,500 will be his direct profit income from his direct referral. Same way, he may directly refer to many people and get 50% of each referral as his profit income. Next, team cycle bonus. This is a cycle which work in 1:1 matter, and for each cycle you get 50 rupees. That is, one PV on your left and one PV on right makes a cycle, and one cycle is equal to rupees 50. So the same example we are going to take here too. Sankar have 15,000 of package. He sponsors Sonia and Mahesh 50,000 of package. Then there is 15 PV on his left and 15 PV on his right. That means the total number of cycle Sankar has completed is 15. So 15 into 50, that is 750. That is the cycle bonus or the cycle profit which Sankar is going to get is 750. Now, as the network is unlimited, you can join as many people you want. The company have set a weekly payout cap limit, that is 3 lakh. No matter how long your network is, how wide your network is, the weekly cap limit will remain 3 lakh. Next, referral business bonus for PV12. Now, I explained you about 15,000. Now I'm going to explain you about 12,000 packages. Direct referral and fast start bonus, the same process goes here too. Sankar sponsors 12,000, like 12 PV to Sonia and 12 PV to Mahesh. 50% of the 12,000, that is 6,000, will be directly profited to Sankar as his direct income. Next, team cycle bonus, same 1:1 cycle, one is on left, one PV is on right, one PV on left, one PV on right makes a cycle, one cycle is equal to rupees 50. So here Sankar is completing 12 cycles as his 12 PV on left and 12 PV on right. So 12 into 50 makes 600, that is his profit of cycle bonus is 600. Same here applies to that weekly payout cap limit of the company will remain 3 lakh, no matter what package you are buying. Now, the third is achievement or repurchase. If a distributor buys 8 paid license by him directly or one by one free license will be provided as a reward to the distributor. Next target is silver achievement. To achieve a silver reward, what you have to do is you have to buy 15 paid license either directly or one by one. The reward by the company will be one free license, as you have already paid, we have already got one license before when you have directed 8 packages. The third target is gold. To achieve gold, you have to buy 35 paid license. The reward by the company will be 4 free license, as in total you get 6 licenses in free by the company. The fourth target will be diamond achievement. To achieve diamond, you have to buy directly or one by one 60 paid license. The reward given by the company will be 5 free license, and in total you will be receiving 11 free licenses. Next, for platinum achievement, you have to buy directly or one by one 100 paid license. The reward will be 8 free licenses, and total you will get 19 free licenses by the time you complete platinum achievement. Next achievement is crown achievement. Here you have to buy directly or one by one 250 paid licenses, out of which 36 will be the reward given by the company to you as free licenses. So in total you will get 55 free licenses from the company. You have to buy 250 packages. The free licenses as reward will be 36, and in total you will get 55. Same way, the next achievement target is king achievement. Here you have to buy directly or one by one 400 paid license. After the completion of this achievement, company will give you 45 free license as your reward. In total, you will be receiving 100 free licenses by the company as a reward. I hope the thing is clear to you. Now, next we have, as I told you, FeeSmart have two platforms. One is for online education and one is a social media platform for networkers and leaders and thinkers. A global platform for leaders and networkers. India's first AI-based social media platform for leaders and networkers. The first is free license, that is you will get free chat. You can contact up to 100 networkers, leaders free. That means you can talk with 100 networkers, but you can send request to only 20 people if you buy, if you enroll to the free license. The other license is basic license, which is for 1000, that is for 1 PV plus 18% GST. The total amount will be 1180 rupees. Here the benefits are, there is search engine, unlimited connection, live chat, live photo sharing, live file transfer, and many more you will get under this platform in just 1000 rupees. Next, referral business bonus for PV1. Now, as I told you, in 15,000 package and 12,000 package, there is direct business and group income. Same we have for 1 PV. 1 PV, like for 1000, Sankar buys a package of 1000. He refers to Sonia the 1000 package and Mahesh on right 1000 package. Same way he will get 50% of the amount of 1000 as his profit. So 500 from Sonia and 500 from Mahesh, that is 1000 will be his profit from direct referral or fast start bonus. Next we have the time cycle bonus, team cycle bonus, sorry. Same things goes here too. Sankar have 1000 of package. He refers 1000 to Sonia, 1000 to Mahesh. So 50% of Sonia, sorry, that is the 1:1 cycle. So one cycle will be completed, 1 PV on left, 1 PV on right. That is 50 rupees per cycle. That will means you will get 50 as a team cycle bonus. Here, the weekly cap limit set by company is 25,000. That means maybe your network might be wide than you thought or than the company thought. So we have set a cap limit, that is 25,000 weekly cap limit. Next, so the pre-launch of the company have been started from 15th August and it will be ended by 19th October 2020. Pre-launch will be ended by the time 19th October 2020. After that, we will launch. So the company is giving you an award during our pre-launch. If a person sells direct 10 licenses, the award will be LED TV. And directly 20 licenses, the award will be Lenovo laptop. Directly 30 license, the award will be Splendor scooty. Now 80 licenses should be in group. That is by direct referral, the first, second, third option will be valid. And say from 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, I am talking about the group cycle income, the group energy income. Here you have to get 80 licenses, so you will get Bullet 350. 150 licenses, there is Alto as a reward. 200 licenses, there is WagonR as a reward. 250 licenses, you have a Baleno as a reward, and 400 licenses, we have Ciaz as a reward. So I think this is a great hope and achievement that you can get. You will be awarded just because you are doing hard work for the company, and we will be happy to make you join us in the starting of the company. Now payout from the company, the way we get the payment, the same way we did the payout from the company. Next, unchallenged world, best compensation, weekly payment, secure transactions, talk of the town, best ever seen in the affiliate marketing, sorry. First come, first serve, this is the rule of the company. So please join and be the first one to get the profit. Thank you.